J Rossi Beats.
Okay, guys, so for this video we're going to be doing this hairstyle. This is a quick weave with bangs and then a long ponytail. So stay tuned if you guys want to see how I did this. And yeah. Okay, dolls, so I already slicked up my hair, and in order to do this I did wash my hair. I blow dried it. I didn't blow dry it that straight, and then I just used this edge control. This is the edge booster from Style Factor. This is a really big one, so it's great if you're going to be like molding your whole head instead of just edges. So I just slicked my hair up, and I haven't tied it down or anything to get it extra flat. So the hair that we're going to be using came in a little bag like this. This hair is from Wondess hair. I believe that's how you say it. And I got 4 30 inches. This is Peruvian hair. And I'm going to be doing a long ponytail. I probably only need 2 of these, so that will allow me to do the ponytail again if I decide. Or I will have enough if I need it, but I doubt that I'm going to need all of these. And instead of using the 30 inch to do my bang with, I'm just going to use some hair that I had from another company. This is only like a 10 inch or something, so it should work out. Hopefully the hair matches or whatever. So to start off with, I'm going to do my bang first. To start off with, I'm going to go ahead and put my stocking caps on because I am going to be gluing the hair on the fronts for the bang. You can pull hair from your ponytail for your bang if you want to, like I've seen people do it like that. But I'm gonna try this method out. I've never did this before this way, so wish me luck. I know I can do a good bang like on a closure or a frontal, but I haven't did like the quick weave type bang. So yeah, these are just some black stocking caps. I'm gonna just be putting these on everything. And I tried to get my bun super small, but my hair wasn't blow dried out the best that it could have been. Like, so my ends were more puffy. So I'm just gonna put one cap on, and then I'm gonna put on another cap, so that way it's not getting so much glue onto my hair. And then I need to go grab my mirror because I'm not going to be able to see from like this. So be back. Here's a look at the 30 inch. It's definitely not that full for a ponytail. I like to use just one. It falls at a nice length. With 2, I think this looks decent. It's not that full though, so maybe like 3. We're going to see. On your forehead, and then this is where our ponytail stops, so that's like where we need our tracks to stop, and you're gonna go from wider and bring it into a triangle shape. So yeah, I think, do I want to mark here too? I want to keep filming this because it's kind of like tedious just gluing tracks on, but you want to put the tracks close together so that way you can't see any of the tracks. Like if the wind blows or something, you cannot see any tracks at all. And what you want to do is start, uh-oh, that one was not dry. I'm trying to show y'all, but what you want to do is start longer, like however long far out you want your bangs to be, and then you're gonna start going inward. So kind of like a triangle. So the tracks are getting shorter and shorter. And you may wonder how it's going to cover. Like whenever you first start to do it, it will kind of look like, oh my God, some of the tracks going to be sticking out. But then you will see that it's not. It's not going to show it all. So just start longer, however long or far you want your bangs to come out. And then bring it inward. And that way we'll be able to hide the tracks. So yeah, I'm just going to keep going, but I didn't want to film this whole process because it's like the same thing. So yeah. Okay, so while I'm letting this dry before I cut off the stocking cap and add my ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and just cut my bangs. My camera is dying. I'm not even done cutting my bangs because it takes me a while to get them exactly how I want them. But yeah, and I'm not sure if I want to keep it longer on the sides or if I just want to do a straight across, because now that I'm doing it, I don't know if I really like it like this with the ponytail. So I'm just going to put my ponytail on now. And my camera is dying, so I may not show everything. Okay, y'all, so I wanted to come and give you the final look of this hair. I did wear it today. Today is the next day. This hair is so silky. I didn't have time to redo my edges this morning, but it doesn't really matter that much because you can't really see your edges that much except for that little part. But I still like to lay mine, but I kind of forgot and I didn't have time this morning. But I just bumped my bangs like I did in the video. And the ponytail is super silky. Like, this hair is so freaking silky. 3 inches is long enough for me because I knew I wanted it to be a high pony. So let me bring the camera down so y'all can see how it falls on me. I'm sorry for this plain background, but I just moved, so things are everywhere. So it still kind of like comes to my butt, which is what I wanted. So if you want it to be longer than that, then you may want to get like a 32 or something. 30 inches is like the standard that most companies carry, but 30 inches works for me. And yeah, I think it's super cute. This hair is so silky. I did just tease the hair underneath to cover my bun. My bun is kind of big. If I would have straightened my whole head, I probably could have got my bun, you know, better.